Plenty of caterpillars of the leopard butterfly. 1, 2. Here it is the 3. The female is hovering here to egg lay. Here it is the 4th. I've seen more too, but they're so fast. They run away in the bushes. And bumper lottery. Yes, the pupa. The pupa of the leopard butterfly. Oh my goodness, so beautiful it is. See how beautiful it is. Tamhini rocks. Got my first pupa of the common leopard butterfly in the forest of Tamhini. I'll show you once again. A beautiful pupa. Have a great day, friends.